All right. Number 12 says, the table shows that the price of the different quantities of standard size lemons at Joe's fruit stand. What is the least amount of money needed to purchase exactly 20 standard size lemons if the bags must be sold in intact and there is no tax charge for the lemons? So, first of all, can he purchase exactly 20 standard size lemons based on the way the bags are sold? Okay, and so as far as the bags are concerned, he can't get 20 specific lemons. He's going to have to get a combination of bags and individuals, correct? Why is that? Why is that? Why would we know that before we even started calculating anything? Why would we know that he's going to have to combo bags and individual lemons? How are the bags sold? Huh? In sixes, right? Is 20 divisible by 6? No. So therefore we can get as close as possible, but then we're going to have to purchase how many additional lemons? 2 of them. Okay? And so I don't know if you accounted for that or not, but that's the biggest difference between that. So, all right. What is the difference between those? .30, 1.20. What's the difference? Huh? .10 is going to give me, huh? 1.5. So I'm going to take 120 and subtract .30. What do you get? There you go. What about here? Is it the same thing? It is? All right. So, since that changes by a common number, what kind of sequence is that? Arithmetic sequence, right? It's an arithmetic sequence. And so, therefore, if I wanted to create an equation, I could use those concepts. What's different about this arithmetic sequence than the other ones? What's different about it? This number right here is really A of 6, isn't it? Yes. And this is really A of 12. So it's not going by 1 units, it's increasing by 6s, okay? And so that's a little bit different, that you got to pay attention to details. All right, and so he wants to know how to purchase 20 lemons. Okay? 20 lemons. And so I've got to figure out how to do so with adding additional lemons to it, because my bag is only going to come in 6s. All right? And so we need to know how much they're increasing by, because a bag of what am I going to have to purchase? 3 bags, then that's going to give me how many lemons? 18 lemons. And so I know outside here, my next unit of measure of bags is going to be 18, correct? What's the price of a bag of 18 lemons? So I'm going to increase this by the same unit of measure, so I'm going to increase it by 0.90. Huh? $3 even, correct? Y'all agree with that? Yeah, sure. All right? And so, when I go into here, I know that I'm going to have to pay $3 plus what? Two more lemons, right? So I'm going to have a .30. This is going to be 18. This is going to be 19. And for 20 lemons is going to be what? Huh? .30. All right, so that total equals what? $3.60, which is our choice for A. But what did the question ask us? The lemons must be sold intact. That's what it says, right? So if I was being able to purchase them individually, that would be what my price would be. But that's not what the question says he can do. It doesn't say he could. He wants to purchase exactly 20, but the bags are going to be intact. So therefore, he's going to have to purchase them per bag. That's what it's saying. And so 18 doesn't give me 20 lemons. What gives me 20 lemons? The next bag will be, right? Even though it's over, it says they have to be sold intact. Okay? So if it says I could bit and piece them together, then this will be my answer. And as you can see, when I put it up there originally, that's what I got. But as you read the question, it says they have to be sold intact. Then I can only purchase them per bag. So I have to move on to the next bag, and the next bag would have how many in it? 24 lemons in. I'm gonna be 4 over, okay? But it's going to be purchased of 24 lemons because I have to do it per bag. Bag of 24 lemons, and that price is going to be what? It's going to be $3 added to my common difference of 0.90, and that gives me $3.90. So I see the reason that we picked 360, because obviously I did it. If you pick something different than that, then you've got some of your numbers backwards and wrong. But these are the two answers that they're trying to get us to select, but we have to read the question to make sure we select the correct one.